I'm being joined by Dr. Ravi Malik, who's the former secretary of the IMA, Dr. D.K. Gupta, who's the CMD, Felix Hospital. And we are going to try to understand. Dr. D.K. Gupta, coming on the broadcast, and your comments on what Dr. Harshvardhan has also gone ahead and said, the Union Health Minister saying that we are looking to get vaccines in the next 3 to 4 months. There are some 5 of these vaccine candidates that are on clinical trials. How is it looking for India, for our country domestically? Because there have been a lot of rumors coming in that these international vaccines might not be conducive for the domestic environment.
It's a great question. I would like to tell you that there is good news for India, that most of the good vaccine with good efficacy, they are in phase 3 trial. And their manufacturing has been started in last couple of months, and they have a spared vaccine in their warehouses with maintaining cold chain right now. And whenever they will get approvals after phase 3 trials from their respective countries, from their controllers in their countries, most probably India will get approval after that in our country also. And like we say, that there are few vaccines, they require very low temperature, that is around minus 70 degree.
Right.
If we talk about this Pfizer vaccine that has been claiming efficacy of 95%, it will be difficult to distribute in India, because we are not very sure to maintain this temperature for distribution in our distribution channel. But definitely we can distribute other vaccines like AstraZeneca vaccine that developed by Oxford and AstraZeneca, and we have a collaboration from Serum Institute of India, and we have already manufactured around 4.5 million doses, and we are just waiting for the phase 3 trial results and approval in the UK government. After that, Indian government will take a decision on that. It should be distributed, and they are in continuously touch with the Indian governments also for the pricing and distribution parts also.
Okay.
So that's a great news. In other indigenous vaccine like Covaxin vaccine that is developed by Bharat Biotech, that is also having very good efficacy. It is having around more than 85% of efficacy, and they are in currently they have started their phase 3 trials also. And most probably this will not require very high conditions for temperature control. Like they will not require very low temperature to preserve these vaccines.
Right.
So this is a good news. And also there are other countries like Germany and China and Russia. They have also developed few vaccines, and they are in phase 3 trials, or most probably within a couple of months, most of these vaccines will have approvals from their respective drug control authority.
Okay.
But it will take time for distribution in any country, because we have a huge population of 1.135 CR, and after approval, most probably we will get approval in month of January, and after January we will start distribution, and it will be categorically, it will first given to the frontline warriors like doctors and senior citizens, and after that as Dr. Malik has told me, that it will be given to vulnerable population, those who are having comorbid conditions.
Right.
So it will take time to distribute.
Yes, it is going to take a lot of time. Logistics, planned execution of it. Yes.
In one dose, it will require multiple doses, like minimum 2 days, 2 months of interval. It means we will require to develop a significant immunity. Minimum we will require 4 months. So that's why till vaccine is distributed, we have to take precaution. Only prevention can help us. Otherwise,
that's the most valid point,
like
most important, most crucial point. Dr. D.K. Gupta says precaution, the most important thing for now.